Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make potato mayonnaise salad. Start by peeling and chopping potatoes into even cubes, then place them in salted boiling water until tender. While potatoes cook, boil eggs for about 10 minutes and cool them immediately. Chop celery and pickles for crunch and measure mayonnaise and mustard. Chill potatoes completely before folding in mayo for best texture. Taste and adjust salt and pepper gently. Boil potatoes in salted water until fork tender but not falling apart, then drain and spread on a tray to cool quickly. Cooling prevents excess steam from thinning the dressing later. Transfer cooled potatoes to the refrigerator if you need them firmer for mixing. For eggs, boil and plunge into cold water to finish cooking and make peeling simple. Keeping everything cool makes the salad creamy and prevents watery mayonnaise. Whisk mayonnaise, a spoon of mustard, a splash of lemon juice, salt, and pepper until smooth and balanced. Chop cooled potatoes and eggs into bite-sized pieces and fold them gently with the dressing to keep the salad chunky. Add chopped celery, pickles, or herbs for texture and adjust seasoning to taste with small pinches of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Chill the salad for at least 1 hour so flavors blend and textures settle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.